Hey y'all, it's Carmen, and I'm here with a project share. Not mine. This one actually belongs to my one and only firstborn son. I only have one boy, and yep, he was my firstborn. His name is Joshua. A lot of people will shorten his name, and this mama cannot stand it. But I love his name. I think his name is beautiful, and so he will always be Joshua to me. But first, if I get too loud, I apologize. This camera is zoomed in so close and right at my mouth, and I'm trying not to be over loud because I know I can tend to be loud at times. But okay, I had to come and share. I'm going to try to make this video quicker than the last one. I did it last night, and I just didn't like how it turned out. I was a little too loud. But I've got to show you what he has done. Now, first, I'm going to insert a picture, and it's going to be a picture of this necklace that he made for me and a necklace he made for his girlfriend, Cassie. And they're going to be side by side, so I'll insert that now. I want to share with y'all, first of all, if you had any inkling of how my son is, y'all would know he is like a kid on Christmas morning, Easter, Halloween, birthday, all rolled into one. That's just how he is, and it doesn't matter if he's getting gifts, but especially if he's giving them, he gets too excited and cannot wait to give gifts. So, he almost always gives them early. Now, first of all, he called me up, and he was like, look, I've got, this is probably about 2 weeks ago, probably. And he goes, Mom, I got you a birthday gift. No, it's not new, but hey, I'm trying to simplify my life, get back to the basics and what really matters, and, you know, try to stay off the computer so much, and, you know, and do more, just do more, live life more. And so, of course, you know, I'm a proud mama for that alone. But, so he's like, I want to give you my desktop. Now, y'all can understand, my son actually is very good at building computers from scratch, like literally from scratch. So for him to do that, because he was a big gamer, and so he knows how to pick up the speed. Now, no, the one he gave me is not a gaming computer because I don't need that much, but the one he gave me is actually a pretty big deal because he knows I'm doing videos and stuff, and it's going to help get my videos and stuff uploaded and all that kind of stuff better for me. So I'm excited, and I will have a permanent computer in my craft room that I can download everything. Now, with all that being said, and me running my mouth like I always do, last weekend I go to his house, and he comes up to the car, and as I'm getting out, and he's like, okay, I got you another birthday present. I'm like, Joshua, that computer was more than enough. He's like, no, I got you something else, and I want to give it to you. Either I can give it to you now, or I can wait till your birthday. Well, I'm sitting there watching his girlfriend, Cassie, shake her head. She knows as well as I do. It's going to be an argument. But the first thing I say is, no, wait till my birthday, because I want to open it. I want to have something to open on my birthday, right? No. The boy can argue too. He's good at everything he does. He will argue until you give in. And that's what he did. I'm like, okay, Joshua, fine, just give it to me. And holy moly, I had no clue, none whatsoever, that this was what I was going to open. I just had none. And I want y'all to take a peek. Y'all know I'm a huge Alabama fan. Roll Tide all the way. I don't diss anybody else's team, but I am me, and this is my hometown, and this is the football, probably pretty much one of the main only teams I support. Now, I've got a couple more that I will root for, but I don't, you know, hands down, wear any shirts or jewelry or anything like that. But, again, right in my mouth. So, he went and took him a little while to find just the right emblem to put inside it. And I don't know how he did it. I don't know how he did any of this, because there's no way on earth that I could ever do anything like this. But I want y'all to get the detail. And I'm hoping it's not blurring. But I'll pull it up as close as I can. And hope that y'all can see. Do you see all this wrapping? Every last bit of that. And do you see the detail right here? Let's see. I almost had it. Y'all be patient with me, because y'all got to see this. I know it's sometimes, there it goes. Sometimes it's so hard when you get up that close to see. Get my ugly nails out of them. Okay, maybe my nails did need to be in there. It needs something to focus on. There we go. Okay. Do you see all that detail? I apologize for the blurriness, y'all, but y'all got to see. Do you see that? I don't know how he does it. I really just don't know how he does it. But I'm going to tell you this much. The way he does it is just amazing. And the patience he must have is beyond me. Told him he needs to make a few to put in a craft show with me and see how they do. I know the time it takes to do this is a lot. So I'm not sure as far as pricing goes to do something like that, because there's no way that can be cheap. I mean, you just can't. There's just too much time invested in it. But anyway, y'all let me know, because I am absolutely, hands down, a proud mama. Roll Tide. But yeah, you see my little bling in there. Oh, isn't that just so sparkly and pretty? I love it. I hope it's got, let me move it so I can see to make sure that it's, there we go. Is that focused, or you're getting a glare? Looks like y'all getting a glare. I can't see. I'm blinded because it's right in the middle. But anyway, y'all give my precious baby boy some props and let him know what an awesome job he did, and leave me a comment below. Let him know he'll be reading them too, I'm sure. And give me a thumbs up. Y'all be sure to be sticking around. I'll have some entries coming in soon from people who've said they've mailed theirs already. I will be uploading some entries and VRs going out. And then maybe within the next week or so, I also have another haul, but it's definitely not going to be something you're used to seeing from me. But other than that, I do wish you a great, great, great day. And as I always say, I wish you the best.